After we finished with the Aloha Tower, we walked 5 to 6 blocks into downtown Honolulu, and I went shopping in a Ross store to get neck pillows for our trip home so we could sleep. Knowing that we had a bus for all day until 4 o'clock in the morning, we decided we would take the bus out to Diamond Head. We had to walk about a mile from where we got off the bus to the entrance to Diamond Head, only to find out it closed at 4:30 and we only had 15 minutes, and there was no way we would be able to see anything in 15 minutes' time. Besides that, it appears that bad weather was coming our direction, and we decided it was better to walk the mile back and catch a bus back to our hotel.